So guys, we have our background. So let's import our image. Open file, select the image you want. Suppose this one, then press on open. Let's make a new layer, right click, track operation, insert a new track, left click, drag and drop to the timeline. Now as you can see that our image do not have any kind of drop shadow. Let's go to filters, click on the plus icon, search for size, position and rotate. Let's scale it down a little bit like 60%. Then move it here. Make a simple animation. Click on the stopwatch. 1 second animation. Move it here. Now we have our simple animation. Go back to timeline by clicking on here. Remember, before adding the drop shadow, you need to do all kind of things like adding the animation or any kind of other filters. Then you need to use the drop shadow effect. Now select the first layer, right click, track operation, insert a new track. This new track is under the original image. Now select the image clip, Ctrl C to copy, move the playhead to the first frame, select the second layer, Ctrl V to paste. Now select the second layer. Remember, select the second layer, not the clip. Then go to filters, then click on the plus icon, search for size, position and rotate. Then add another filter, brightness, single left click. Let's hide the upper layer. Select the second layer again, brightness, drop it down to 0. Now we have totally black and white character. Now add another filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now enable the upper layer, select the shadow layer again, size, position and rotate, move the shadow where you want, around here, then Gaussian blur, increase the amount. Now if you want to add some transparency, for that another filter, opacity, reduce the level like 70%, 50%. Now we have a cool shadow with the animation. And this method works for both the image layer and the text layer. So guys, that's how easily we can add drop shadow in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.